Welcome. If you've been seeing captions pop up in Google Chrome on your phone and you'd rather not have them on, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the easy steps to turn off captions in Chrome so you can browse without distractions. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. This is the same app you normally use to search the web, so just tap it to open. Once Chrome is up, look in the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, you'll see a list of options drop down. What you need to do is select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where all of your customization options are kept. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Accessibility. Tap on it to continue. This area includes several features that can make your browsing experience more comfortable and personalized. Inside Accessibility, look for the option called Captions. Tap on it, and you'll get access to the controls that manage how captions appear in your browser. Now, here's the key part. You'll see a switch beside Show Captions. If this switch is currently turned on, captions will automatically display when available. To disable them, simply toggle that switch off. Once you do, Chrome will stop showing captions while you're browsing. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've turned off captions in Google Chrome on your phone. This change should apply right away, so you won't need to restart anything. From now on, your browsing should feel much cleaner and distraction-free. If you ever decide you want captions back, just follow these same instructions and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching.